Massachusetts, southern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Huntington, or 8 miles southwest of Northampton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Southampton around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westfield, Northampton, and East Hampton around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Holyoke around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South Hadley around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Springfield, Chicopee, and Granby around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ludlow and Wilbraham around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Martin and Hampton around 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Palmer, Warren, West Brookfield, and Brimfield around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Kent, and